Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use virtual desks for multitasking on your DELL Chromebook 3400. To open up virtual desks to you can either swipe up the touchpad with 3 fingers at once, which will open the Recents menu at the bottom and the Desks bar at the top. Here you'll be able to create a new desktop and switch to it, and this way you can have several different desktops. You can also switch between them quickly by dragging 4 fingers on your touchpad. Your laptop also has a dedicated key for virtual desktops, which is called Overview key, and it's located right here. And now if you open a program on one desktop, it will be only active on it, while the other desktops will remain intact. So you'll be able to perform some different tasks on them and easily switch them by dragging 4 fingers on your trackpad. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.